Willkommen zurück in meinem Kanal. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here I come with some of the most commonly used greetings in German. So let's start. Hallo. Hallo is a very informal way to greet someone. Hallo means hi or hello. You can use this informal word hello with your friends or relatives. The most formal used greetings change according to time of day. Let's start with Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. You can use Guten Tag in late morning and early evening. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Morgen. During the evening, you can say Guten Abend. Guten Abend means good evening. Guten Abend. And finally, Gute Nacht when you go to sleep. Gute Nacht means good night. Now, if you are living in a formal situation, what do you say? German people usually say Auf Wiedersehen when living in a formal situation. But what is Auf Wiedersehen? Auf Wiedersehen means see you again. If living in a formal situation, then you can say Auf Wiedersehen. But if you're saying bye to your friends or relatives, then you can use this informal word Tschüss. Tschüss. Tschüss means bye. Now, bis bald. Bis bald means see you soon. You can use the word bis bald with your friends because it's a bit informal. Now, bis später. Bis später is an alternative word for bis bald. Hope these greetings have given you a feel of the German language. Thanks for watching. I will be back with my next video. Bis bald!